Don't freak out, okay? I did it. I purchased my first ever, and honestly maybe only ever, designer bag. What was the occasion? I guess there really wasn't an occasion. I just was never gonna buy this for myself. Sam and I are very like experience-oriented people, so like Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthdays, like we always get each other an experience, an Airbnb somewhere, or fun trips. People spend their money differently. I don't spend my money this way. But listen, when I was like 14 years old, my mom would ask me for my Christmas list. I was so delusional. I would like look up online Louis Vuitton bags, like how was I gonna get my hands on a Louis Vuitton? For whatever reason, this designer and this like classic Louis Vuitton print has always really spoken to me. I don't even want to open it. It's so pretty. I feel like my little fingers are too grimy for this. I don't want to ruin the bow. Ah! This is actually like my first time unboxing it since I left the store too, you guys. I waited for you. I want you to know that. No going back now. Okay, how to This is how you know I'm not the type of girl who should be owning one of these bags. I'm like, how do you even, oh, okay, great. You open it like this. Okay, grand reveal. 3, 2, 1. That was a little anticlimactic because it's still in the bag. Oh, she's beautiful. I've had my eye on her for probably like 5 years. It's the perfect size. Obviously it has handles, by the way. I wouldn't pay all that money for a bag with no handles. Where are the handles? Wait, oh, they're in the bag. Adjustable straps, removable chain. I can keep my phone, my wallet, a water bottle, and maybe like a book in here, but nothing more. And that's all I want, because I want to like be able to wear this on my shoulder for a night out, but I also want to be able to like carry a book into a coffee shop. And of course I love that it came with this little wristlet and it attaches to the bag, which is really nice because girl, I'm always losing my wallet. And I can also detach it from the bag if I really want to, although I don't think that's a good idea. I just want to show you a close-up of that. So pretty, huh? Like this bag is prettier than me, and I will shamelessly admit that. As I wear it in, it's gonna bend kind of more into this like crescent shape, which I really love. I guess I gotta put some things inside it and start wearing her out. I don't know, I'm like nervous to wear her out. I wanna show you the ways that I can wear this, so I think I'm gonna stand up. First way to wear it is the loosest that the strap will go. So I would just kind of wear it as like a little satchel. Shopping, farmer's market, you know, more casual wear. Then if I adjust her all the way to the very top and tighten her, I can kind of wear it as more of a shoulder bag. Then finally I can unclip the little strap and use the chain as the strap, which is more of like a traditional shorter shoulder bag. I obviously still have to break her in a bit, but this is my favorite way to wear it right now. I don't know, let me know which way you like best. I would be remiss not to thank you guys always for your support. I mean, being a creator full-time has always been my dream, and I'm able to do that now, and this is like a big accomplishment for me. Like the little girl in me is kind of screaming right now. So yeah, thanks for always having my back on here.